Hello student, my name is Devendra Singh. I am teaching you elementary quantum mechanics, and in elementary quantum mechanics topic particle in a one dimensional box. Particle in a one dimension box. Particle in a box provides us the application of Schrodinger wave equation to the translational motion of a particle like electrons, atom, etc. It also explains as to why the energies associated are quantized. The motion of a particle in a one-dimensional box is like the flow of electron in a wire, but still it is called a particle in a box, and in general case can be considered in which we may assume that a single particle, example a gas molecule of mass m, is restricted to move in a region of space from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a, and that its potential energy within the box is constant and taken as equal to 0 for the sake of convenience, in order that the on page number first. On page number 2, particle may remain within the box, comma, it is essential to assume that the potential energy on or outside the walls is very high, is equal to infinity, so that as soon as the particle reach the walls, it is reflected back into the box. Full stop. Schrodinger wave equations for one dimension is d square psi upon dx square plus 8 pi square m upon h square bracket total energy E minus potential energy V bracket close psi is equal to 0, where psi has been taken as the function of coordinates only. Full stop. Outside the box V is equal to infinity. Therefore, outside the box equation number first becomes d square psi upon dx square plus 8 pi square m upon h square E minus infinity bracket close psi is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Neglecting E in the comparison to infinity, comma, equation 2 reduce to d square psi upon dx square माइनस इन्फिनिटी psi इज इक्वल टू 0 ब्रैकेट में मैंने लिखा है सिंस 8 पाई स्क्वायर एम अपॉन एच स्क्वायर इंटू इन्फिनिटी इज इक्वल टू इन्फिनिटी। और इसमें एक फिगर मैंने बनाया है जिसमें बॉक्स के अंदर v इज इक्वल टू 0 है, बॉक्स के आउटसाइड में v इज इक्वल टू इन्फिनिटी है, बॉक्स के आउटसाइड में भी v इज इक्वल टू इन्फिनिटी है, और नीचे हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन पर x इज इक्वल टू 0 है और x की डायरेक्शन आपको शो की गई है। इसमें पार्टिकल जो है इन ए वन डायमेंशनल बॉक्स में है विथ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू 0 है इनसाइड द बॉक्स है, एंड p इज इक्वल टू इन्फिनिटी, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू इन्फिनिटी है ऑन द वॉल्स पर ऑफ द बॉक्स एंड आउटसाइड द बॉक्स। ऑन पेज नंबर 2. On page number 3, d square psi upon dx square is equal to infinity psi. Psi is equal to 1 upon infinity d square psi upon dx square is equal to 0. This is the equation number 3. This proves that the outside the box, comma, psi is equal to 0, which implies that the particle cannot go outside the box. Full stop. For the particles within the box, v is equal to 0, therefore the Schrodinger wave equation first takes the form d square psi upon dx square plus 8 pi square m upon h square E psi is equal to 0, where h is the Planck constant. For the given state of the system, the energy E is constant, which is one of the postulates of the quantum mechanics. Therefore, we put 8 pi square m upon h square E is equal to k square इक्वेशन नंबर 5। उससे पहले जो इक्वेशन थी d स्क्वायर साई अपॉन डी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 8 पाई स्क्वायर एम अपॉन एच स्क्वायर ई साई इज इक्वल टू 0, दिस इज द इक्वेशन नंबर 4। On page number 3. On page number 4, where k square is a constant, comma, independent of x, Equation 4 then becomes d square psi upon dx square plus k square psi is equal to 0. Equation number 6. A general solution of this differential equation is given by psi is equal to a sin kx plus b cos kx is equal to equation number 7, where a and b are the constant depending upon the value of a, b, and k, and psi can have many values, but all the values are not acceptable. Full stop. Only those values of the psi are acceptable which satisfy the boundaries condition which psi is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. Putting psi is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0, equation 0 is equal to b sin 0 plus b cos 0. So 0 is equal to 0 plus b, since sin 0 is equal to 0 and cos 0 is equal to 1. Thus equation x is equal to 0, equation 7 becomes by putting b is equal to 0. On page number 5, psi is equal to a sin kx. This is the equation number 8. Putting psi is equal to 0, then x is equal to a, equation 8 becomes 0 is equal to a sin k into a. That is sin k a is equal to 0, equation number 9. This equation holds good only when the value of ka are integral multiple of pi, that is ka is equal to n pi, equation number 10, where n is an integer, that is n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. However, the value n equal to 0 may be excluded because it makes k is equal to 0 and hence psi is equal to 0 for any value of a between 0 and a, that is within the box. Full stop. This is not true because the particles is always assumed to be present within the box. On page number 5. On page number 6, from equation 10, k is equal to n pi upon a, equation number 11, substituting the value in equation 8, we get psi is equal to a sin n pi upon a into x, equation number 12. This gives the expression for the eigenvalue psi, equation number 12. The expression for the eigenvalue of the energy may be obtained as follows. This equation 5th, from equation 5th, is equal to k square h square upon 8 pi square m, equation number 13. Substituting the value of k from equation 11, we get is equal to n pi upon a bracket close ka whole square into h square divided by 8 pi square m. That is equal to n square h square upon 8 pi 8 m a square, equation number 14. This is the on page number 6. On page number 7, equation 12 and 13 are the solution of the Schrodinger wave equation for a particle in one-dimensional box. Full stop. The value of a in equation 12 can be obtained by normalization of wave function. The process of normalization of the wave function can be carried as follows. Integral 0 to a psi star d tau is equal to 1. Substituting the value of psi bracket में is equal to psi star from equation 12, we get a square integral lower limit a upper limit a lower limit 0 upper limit a sin square n pi upon a x dx is equal to 1, or a square into a by 2, capital A square into small a by 2 is equal to 1. इसमें ब्रैकेट में लिखा है मैंने सिंस एज इंटीग्रल 0 टू ए साइन स्क्वायर एन पाई एक्स अपॉन ए ब्रैकेट क्लोज डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू ए बाई 2. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रिलेशन होता है 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. This is the formula of mathematics. Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. So A is capital A is equal to under root 2 upon A on page number 7. On page number 8, hence the normalization wave function, which will also be a solution of Schrodinger equation, is psi is equal to under root 2 upon a sine n pi upon a into x bracket close. If these are any two eigen functions psi m and psi n corresponding to the two different values of n, then psi m and psi n will be orthogonal to each other. Full stop. This can be derived as integral lower limit a upper limit 0 upper limit a psi m into psi n dx is equal to 2 upon a integral lower limit a upper limit 0 upper limit a sine bracket में m pi x divided by a bracket close sine n pi x a bracket close into dx is equal to 2 upon a integral lower limit 0 upper limit a 1 by 2 bracket cos m minus n bracket close nx upon a minus cos m plus n bracket close nx upon a into dx. Since 2 sin a sin b is equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is equal to 1 upon a bracket sin m minus n bracket में n pi upon a upon m minus n pi upon a minus sin m plus n pi x upon a m plus n pi upon a ब्रैकेट क्लोज करना लोअर लिमिट ए ब्रैकेट क्लोज के नीचे लोअर में लिखना 0 अपर में लिखना a। दिस इज पेज नंबर 8 पर है। ऑन पेज नंबर 9 इंटीग्रल 0 to a psi m psi n dx is equal to 1 upon pi bracket sin m minus n nx upon a upon m minus n minus sin m plus n nx upon a upon m plus n bracket close 0 to a is equal to 1 upon pi bracket sin m minus n pi upon m minus n minus sin m plus n pi upon m plus n bracket close is equal to 0. Since m and n are integers, m is not equal to n, therefore m minus n and m plus n are also integers and n pi is equal to 0 where n is an integer. This is the on page number 9. This is the derivation of the particle in a one-dimension box. This is the very important for the class BSc third year. That's all.